What if 10 minutes a day could physically rebuild your brain? Most people think meditation is just relaxation, doing something nice to do when you have time, a temporary escape from stress that fades the moment you open your eyes. They sit there, hoping to feel calmer, wondering why their mind won't stop racing, convinced they're doing it wrong. But neuroscience has revealed something extraordinary. Meditation doesn't just change how you feel. It literally rewires your brain with meditation, reshaping neural pathways, growing new brain tissue, and fundamentally altering the structure of your mind. The Buddha understood this 20,500 years ago when he taught that the mind can be trained like a muscle. Today, fMRI scans of meditators prove he was right, and I'm about to show you exactly how meditation changes your brain in ways that will transform your entire life. This isn't spiritual mysticism. This is hard science showing how ancient practices rewire modern brains. Today we're exploring 7 science-backed ways meditation actually changes your brain. If you want more evidence-based wisdom for optimizing your mind and life, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's begin with the defining of meditation. Before we unveil the brain changes, let's get crystal clear on what meditation actually is, because there's a lot of confusion out there. Meditation is a practice of focused attention and awareness that trains your mind to achieve mental clarity, emotional calm, and a stable sense of presence. It's not about emptying your mind or stopping thoughts. That's impossible and not the goal. Rather, it's about observing your thoughts without judgment, returning your attention to a chosen focus point, and cultivating a different relationship with your mental activity. There are many forms: mindfulness meditation, observing present moment experience; focused attention meditation, concentrating on breath or a mantra; loving kindness meditation, cultivating compassion; body scan meditation, systematic awareness of physical sensations; and transcendental meditation, using specific mantras. Despite their differences, all forms share a common thread: they're systematic mental training exercises. Jon Kabat-Zinn, who brought mindfulness into mainstream medicine, defines it beautifully. Meditation is not about trying to get anywhere else. It's about allowing yourself to be exactly where you are and to be with what you are experiencing. This means meditation isn't an escape from reality, it's a deeper engagement with it. Now, what about the neuroscience perspective on meditation? It says meditation is like going to the gym for your brain. Just as physical exercise strengthens muscles, meditation strengthens neural pathways. And just as consistent workouts reshape your body, consistent meditation practice physically restructures your brain. This process is called neuroplasticity, your brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Meditation harnesses this ability intentionally. The changes we're about to explore aren't philosophical abstractions. They're measurable, observable, scientifically documented transformations. Let's get into the science-backed ways meditation can actually change your brain. Beginning with number 1. Meditation increases gray matter density. The first major finding is that meditation literally increases gray matter density in key brain regions. A landmark Harvard study found that just 8 weeks of mindfulness meditation increased gray matter concentration in areas involved in learning, memory, emotional regulation, and perspective taking. Gray matter contains most of your brain's neuronal cell bodies. More gray matter means more processing power. Think of it as upgrading your brain's hardware. The hippocampus, crucial for memory and learning, showed particularly significant growth. This is the same region that shrinks with chronic stress and depression. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Meditation gives you the neural infrastructure to improve those thoughts. For example, participants who meditated 27 minutes daily for 8 weeks showed measurable structural changes on MRI scans. Your brain physically grows in response to meditation. This isn't subtle. It's an observable biological transformation. Number 2. It shrinks the amygdala. Here's where it gets really interesting. Meditation shrinks your amygdala, the brain's fear and stress center. The amygdala triggers your fight or flight response. When it's overactive, you're constantly on edge, anxious, reactive. Studies show meditation reduces amygdala volume while simultaneously decreasing stress levels. Thich Nhat Hanh teaches, breathing in, I calm body and mind. Breathing out, I smile. This simple practice literally calms your brain's alarm system. One study found that after an 8-week meditation program, participants showed reduced amygdala activation in response to emotional stimuli. Their brains became less reactive to stress triggers. The correlation is clear. Smaller amygdala, lower stress levels, greater emotional regulation. With meditation, you're not just feeling calmer, your brain is structurally becoming calmer. Number 3. Meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex. While your amygdala shrinks, your prefrontal cortex, the brain's executive control center, strengthens and thickens. The prefrontal cortex handles decision-making, attention, self-awareness, and emotional regulation. It's essentially your brain's CEO. Research shows meditation increases cortical thickness in the prefrontal regions, particularly in areas associated with attention and sensory processing. Here's what this means practically. Better impulse control, improved focus, enhanced decision-making, and greater emotional intelligence. Viktor Frankl said, "Between stimulus and response there's a space. In that space is our power to choose." Meditation literally expands that space by strengthening the brain region responsible for conscious choice. Think of it this way. Meditation weakens your reactive brain, amygdala, while strengthening your responsive brain, prefrontal cortex. You become less impulsive, more intentional. That's not just behavior change, that's brain architecture change. Number 4. It enhances neuroplasticity. Meditation doesn't just change specific regions. It enhances your brain's overall ability to change and adapt. Neuroplasticity is your brain's superpower, the ability to form new neural connections, strengthen existing ones, and even generate new neurons. Studies show meditation increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes neuroplasticity. It's like fertilizer for your brain. This means meditation doesn't just fix specific problems, it makes your brain better at adapting to any challenge, learning new skills, and recovering from setbacks. Carl Jung observed, "I am not what happened to me, I am what I choose to become." Enhanced neuroplasticity gives you the biological foundation to become what you choose. Your brain remains moldable throughout life. Meditation is the tool that shapes it. Number 5. It improves attention and focus. If you struggle with focus in our distraction-filled world, here's hope. Meditation significantly improves attention span and concentration. Research shows that even short-term meditation training enhances sustained attention, selective attention, and the ability to ignore distractions. One study found that just 4 days of meditation training improved attention and working memory. Another showed that regular meditators performed better on attention tasks than non-meditators, even under pressure. The mechanism is that meditation strengthens the anterior cingulate cortex. That's a region involved in attention regulation and cognitive control. Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi's research on flow states shows that focused attention is the gateway to peak experiences. Meditation trains exactly that capacity. In a world where attention is our most valuable resource, meditation helps you to be in control of your thoughts. Before we continue to even more incredible findings, count yourself as an exception for making it this far. We've covered 5 ways meditation changes your brain. 2 more transformative discoveries are ahead. Stay with me. Number 6. Meditation reduces age-related brain decline. Here's something remarkable that even experts don't know. Meditation may slow brain aging. Research shows that long-term meditators have less age-related gray matter atrophy. Their brains looked younger than their chronological age. One study examined 50-year-old meditators and found they had the same gray matter volume as 25-year-olds in certain regions. That's a 25-year difference in brain age. Another fascinating finding proves that meditation increases telomerase activity. Telomeres are protective caps on chromosomes that shorten with age. Longer telomeres mean slower cellular aging. Seneca wrote, "Life is long if you know how to use it." Meditation helps you use your brain's lifespan more fully by preserving its structure and function. Number 7. It enhances compassion and empathy. Finally, meditation doesn't just change how you think, it changes how you relate to others. Loving-kindness meditation specifically increases activity in brain regions associated with empathy and emotional processing, the insula and temporoparietal junction. Studies show that compassion meditation enhances prosocial behavior. Meditators are more likely to help others, even at personal cost. One study found that just 7 hours of loving-kindness meditation increased helping behavior towards strangers by 50%. The Dalai Lama says, "If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion." Neuroscience now confirms this ancient wisdom. Meditation builds neural pathways for connection, understanding, and kindness, making you not just mentally healthier, but more human. your brain becomes structurally oriented toward compassion. Conclusion. Well, my beloved viewers, we've journeyed through 7 science-backed ways meditation literally changes your brain. Here's my challenge for you, and I want to hear your commitment in the comments. Will you try meditation for just 10 minutes daily for the next week? Do it for 10 days and see what you notice. Then come back and share your experience in the comments so we can learn from each other. If this video opened your eyes to the power of meditation, hit that like button. It helps us reach more people who need to know their brains aren't fixed, they're changeable, trainable, and capable of remarkable transformation. Subscribe to this channel and ring that notification bell. Thank you for investing this time in us.